Hello everyone, this is me, Mika. I'm working on my action RPG from first-person perspective, and I'm on the day 161 and my progress is 20.3%. I'm making my game without any off-the-shelf engine, without Unreal, without Unity, without Godot. I'm using C++, SDL3 and BGFX, and currently BGFX is configured to run Vulkan as a backend. I am currently working on the quest system, so let me see what we have. Let me start a max. So the first start is always a little bit slow, but I think then I switch to Cache OS. It's always slow like this for some reason. Hopefully everything would run. Yeah, it is running. And I'm working on the quest system. So if we get to inventory, this is the quest. Last stream, I was actually thinking to update this inventory to load out, and so probably should do it. I remembered how I did it actually. I did it through Blender, and then I generated the image, and then I put it into GIMP, and then processed it a little bit in the GIMP. So pie menu. Oh, there is no pie menu. I'm pretty sure I did it through. Oh, it's intermediate. Okay. Okay. So pie. Yeah, here we go. Pie menu. And this inventory loadout.
Loadout.
Okay. Now I'm going to render that image, save it. So this is with arrows, and this is without arrows. So I have this one with arrows. So I guess I put it here, and then I hide it. Render image, save. So without arrows. Okay, so let's save that. Let's open GIMP. So there is a 2 pie menus. Okay, and probably should just drag and drop. Um, I guess what I should do, probably I just do simple thing, just erase that. And then go here. I don't know. So first of all, it should not be that. Let's delete. So it should be that. Okay. So now I delete that. Delete that. And then duplicate that. How it was set it up? So the background was on top or behind? It's a good question. Okay. Save. Save. So I guess I don't need that one. So let's rebuild. Hmm. Arrow is gone. Uh, oh, this little arrow. Yeah, this little arrow is missing. Oh, I think I deleted it by accident. Uh, oh yeah, now it's good. There is an arrow. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so quests. So maybe a reminder. So maybe I should call it reminder, like to make it more modern. So they all oh yeah, this one is not iPhone. They're all looking terrible. So I'm wondering if I want to have it sort of a desktop reminder, not the iPhone reminder, but for some reason it's all UIs for iPhone reminder. Like, how about that one? It's like personally, I'm not using too much reminders. I mean, I have a Outlook as a calendar, so I kind of out of touch. I mean, I use a reminder on my phone. So let me look how it looks on my phone, but um, so they kind of iPhone specific, and maybe I should do it this way, just to have like a in the center vertical bar and just like um, Nemo City, yo. Anyways, it's square, right? I do not know why I cannot draw square. So let me make it square. what I'm making right now. What am I making right now? I'm trying to figure out the quest UI, and I think I will rename it to Reminder, because it's mix of sci-fi and fantasy. I think I should lean more to the kind of, and it's more like a modern days action RPG. It's in the near future. I do not remember. It's like around 50 years in the future. So I think I would call it Reminder, and I want to make the UI like, imagine UI how it would look like in the smart glasses. And of course I'm supposed to kind of copy it from the phone, but phone is like in vertical format and smart glasses is in square format. And I do not know how to do this thing, because like in square format it would be too long. So I'm thinking maybe I should kind of lean to this vertical font format and kind of dance around that and see how it's going to look like. And I'm trying to make the mock-up in the in Blender, and just struggling to draw straight lines. So let me. I think I'll just copy paste that line. Let's do it like this. I'll just delete those lines. So we have like this square screen. It's probably, let me, why it's not snapping to the, oh okay, because it did not set to snap to the green. Okay. So make it like this vertical. And then text. So have a text, and it will say fine crystal. It's like a, what kind of text I do have? Crystal Sanctuary. Quest, Crystal Sanctuary, quest. Crystal Sanctuary. Find Crystal Sanctuary, find the Crystal Sanctuary cave and crack the code in the secret log. So it should be done. And then should be done. Let's probably make it smaller. Maybe like this. So make those lines green. It's mocha, but I still want to look at good. Looking good so far. So let me pick the font. So like at least I would use the font what I let me save it as well in case it's gonna crash. I'm using Bleeding Edge Blender version, which is not very stable, of course. Documents and it's like a reminder mockup.
Reminders mockup.
Okay, probably I want to make this one smaller. And let me pick the font. Assets, and let's have that font. Yeah, I think that may do. So instead of like actually I think I can customize checkbox. So I have checkbox and I can make it like this one. Yeah, I think this is good, and I want to probably rename it to reminders. It's like and guess we're good to go. Find the crystal sanctuary cave and crack the code of the secret lock. Yeah, we do not have too many quests, so I do not need so how many quests do I have? Docs to do. So I do not need to do scroller, so I can just quests. Oh, actually we have quite a bit. Yeah, we would need scroller. Yeah, it's simple, right? It's simple. Let me put lights in the proper way. So I would need to have a scroller here. I think it's fine. So let's see how it's going to blend with the game. Yeah, so it's going to have like an empty space here, which is I do not know what to do with it. Inventory, stats, teleporter. Oh, I think I know. I will not put lines. Yeah, so yeah, look at this. This is the perfect example. Yeah, so I'll do just like this. So I would not do lines on the sides, and that's it. Yeah. So I'll just do same way as a teleporter. Okay. So teleporter. So teleporter. Teleporter UI. I'm doing like a settings UI background. So probably I should rename it at some point. And anyways, let's do image. That image. Great idea. Yeah, not to have lines, right? So that like remove these lines. And probably even that line. I know, maybe have like symbolic line like this. Lorem ipsum. So let me generate some code. Lorem ipsum generator. Like why we are generating lorem ipsum, then we can use AI to generate lorem ipsum. Oh, I'm wondering how I can do like a multi-line. I probably can do It's like a anyways, I think I've got the idea. I'll just execute on it. Okay, let's go to quest UI. I probably should rename it and have a better name for that. On pointer class image background, and background would do make child no, interesting, it's not yelling at me. Ah. Okay, let's see. Let me move from my tablet away. Quests, yeah. So we've got that thing. So let me start renaming stuff. I think I'll just search for quest and rename them all to
Reminders.
reminder UI, reminders, reminder UI. Okay. Okay, rename that. Okay. So of course it's going to poop. But we are not afraid. So now do renaming here. Okay, and now we should be good. Reminders UI. Reminder UI, I guess. I should probably call it reminders UI. What is the name of the app? Come on. Come on, iPhone, unlock. It's a reminder, so I should call it reminders. So reminders, and so in that case, should it call reminders, and it should be called reminders UI, reminders UI, reminders UI. Pressing all wrong buttons. I think I'm just sitting under angle or something. Okay, compile. Reminders UI. Reminders UI. Reminders UI. Okay, let me search for reminders UI everywhere. It's only one place, of course. Come on, why are you so slow to start? Reminders, yes. I don't know why you so slow to start. Main.cpp. So let me do return here. And time the start time. Time game 025. This is instantaneous. It's like there is no time. It's actually fast here as well. Just before asset loading. It took some time. It's about second. Just to... What did you do? It's like a renderer takes time. Renderer takes half a time, but like what is like a SDL initialization? It's like this one takes time. Oh, that's interesting. So that one it takes time, but Yeah, half a second. Right. Interesting. And it's like a renderer start. Takes another half a second. Okay. Anyways. Reminders. Cool. So reminders UI. So I do not have any widget which can do multi-line text output. And probably I should do that because if at some point I decided to do localization, it would become pain to do all of localized stuff manually. Yeah, so anyways, this is why I'm doing things without the engine, so I can implement everything by hands. You know, it's like such a simple thing as a word wrapping has to be implemented if it's not implemented. So anyways, so I have to pass the reference to, so player has quests. Oh yeah, and it should be, so I can do tile view. Yeah, I can do tile view. So let's see, how did I do in the crafting table. So there is a vector of recipes, and I made inventory tile view. Oh no, this is inventory tile view, recipe tile view. Okay, so I need to make reminder tile view.hpp once. So let's go and see how a recipe tile view looks like. Recipe tile view. And just simple using reminder tile view equals tile view. So I need to include tile view const base quest star, and oh, not the quest star, reminder star reminder tile. So include reminder.hpp, include reminder tile. So now I need to look at the reminder tile. Reminder tile .hpp, include reminder tile, and looks like, let's look, how did I do recipe tile, right? Recipe tile. Okay, class reminder tile, public image. So let's go here, recipes. Oh yeah. Just let me see how it looks like.
Systems enhanced. Weapons free zone.
So, and there is a highlight as well. I'm not sure if I need the highlight, but I do need the scroll bar. And the height is actually height is so like for recipes the dimension is always same, but for quests it's like a text might be different, so length of the text dictates the height of the so I cannot use tile view. Oh, my FPS is 400. Shouldn't probably disable VSync. And crashed, of course. Darn. I was wondering why my GPU is so loud. Still VSync. I got lucky this time. Ah no, still crash. This crash is so strong, my camera is freezing. Crash is so strong, my camera is freezing. Let me fix my camera. Yeah, so there is no delays. Anyways, let's do like this with tiles, not UI. So node UI HPP. Oh, what is it? Pragma once. Include non HPP. Okay. Public. I think it's a checkbox. Checkbox like this. So title, let me see, reminder.hpp. So title and objective. Okay, pointer, class label. Okay, so let's look at the reminder. Crafting table UI and recipes style view, and there is a path for cell width and cell height. Okay, so let's go to reminders UI, and so we have background, and on pointer we would have include reminder. I forgot already, is it plural or tile view? Singular. It's singular. Reminder tile view. I think it should be plural. Tile view. Reminder style view. Okay. semicolon here. Tile view. Reminder style view. So let's go to constructor and bg make child and I'll take that for now. Oh, there is a two-seaters. Okay. Okay. I'm still not happy. File not found. It's here. Did I misspell it? Oh. I never was making this sort of mistakes, but I did that mistake now. Did make that mistake now. Panel width. Cell width and cell height. And it's not recipes. Yeah. What is it? Crafting table. Yeah, I'll take that. Recipe tile view, scroll width. This one is. Oh, there is a margin as well. This one is going to be reminders. Okay, reminders. And click would do nothing. Okay, so now I'm going to do same thing. It should be instead the vector stat vector stat unique pointer reminder, and it's just a reference reminders, and I think like this. Reminder style view, and it's the unique pointer reminder. Using declared identifier in from return false. Okay, so we have reminders here, and I just dot reminders equals reminders. Still not happy. Not viable conversation from value type. Set item items dot get. That's annoying. I think I can get away. Yeah, so I can just do const. Would it work? Not viable conversation. Not viable conversation. Two items. How does it work with inventory? Player. Items. Inventory tile view items. Inventory. Place back. I think so that should be fine. Unique pointer, right? But reminder tile. Yeah, why? So it's not automatically converting, and this is the problem. So it's why unique pointer not automatically being converted to raw pointer? I can do it this way. We should be fine. Yeah. And I will convert to unique pointer inside. Invalid application size of in the reminders UI. Reminders UI.cpp. So we need to include the checkbox. Okay. So what next? Checkbox for what? Player.cpp. Huh. Include checkbox.hpp. It compiles, but it's not linking. I did expect it would not link. Okay, so we need a constructor get set. Okay, block. So get item would return just okay, node UI block parent. Yeah, I'll keep it empty for now. Why it's still not happy? Checkbox, of course. Okay. There is a scroll bar and yeah, so I want to center it. I actually so on the set if reminder else, so on the else I'll just delete all of that, right? Title objective, but if it's here, title equals make child checkbox it wants something else. Let me send the player there is a to do, and I probably reminders and place back make make unique reminder crystal sanctuary include
Reminder Crystal Sanctuary.
okay, it compiles. There's nothing here yet. Reminder tile. Checkbox. It wants color. It wants size. and should be still. Oh, yeah, it's like that. Oh yeah, it looks happy now. So let me do it this way. Oh, we crashed. Refresh. Set item. If reminder. Optimize down. Optimize that. How I can build a release? Compile, make debug, make debug. It's gonna take about a minute to rebuild and debug. I know, I think it's like a 400. I already made like 400 files. 419. I made like 17. 417. There is like, yeah, 400 files. It's crazy. Just making little game. Okay, let's start and debug. Crash. Okay, crash. But this time we can debug. Okay, reminder. Access memory, huh? Items. Just says m data. Star. Ooh, that's not good. So player reminders and plays back. Reminders. It should Maybe I forgot. Maybe I actually forgot to do it. Reminders UI.cpp. It's doing that. So why it's corrupted? This crash is kind of weird. Why you're corrupted? Make child. Reminder tile view. I see what's going on. Reminders UI. Okay. That guy should be on top of that guy. This is the problem. I'm not sure why compiler did not warn me about it. It's a little bit concerning. And we're still crashing. Oh no, we did not crash. No reminders, but there is a still. Oh! Something popped in. Crystal Sanctuary. Something is happening. Okay, let's rebuild in release. It's gonna take another minute. One minute 23 seconds. The build's getting slower and slower and slower and slower. Okay. Yeah, let's start and see what's going on. Yeah, so there is a crystal sanctuary here. It's interestingly, I do not know if it's accident it's aligned on this line or intentional. Alright, I need to specify size of that. Okay. So let's go to UI, and here I need to set the size. So bottom left, panel width. Guess I can remove all these margins and no margins and divide by 2f, and here is going to be panel width divide by 2f. So I centered it. Yeah, it's centered. So now let's take care about the checkbox, right? So that one, tile, where is it? Where are you? Tile. So node UI, what is it? Node UI C2. Let's do bottom left equals UI H divided by 2. Minus 15, I don't know, yeah, 15, I don't know, 0, top right equals UI H divided by 2, 30. Let's see. Nothing. I see nothing now. What did I do wrong? Bottom left, top right. Oh. No, this is right. I know, maybe let's do minus 15 plus 15. See nothing. Bottom left, top right. So without these parameters it shows something, but with them it's not showing. UIH divide by 2, UIH divide by 2, this looks right. Oh, let's do divide by 4. Hey, yeah. What? Okay, so it should be divided by 4. So let's do that. 0, 30. Hmm. Why it's like this is very good big one, and here it's kind of small, and why it's like this? Settings. Make checkbox. It's setting up only top right. So I just need to increase that that size. How I'm doing it? X. I'll just put 50 here. So maybe I should do same way. Just put 50. Yeah. So there is a label color. I guess I should make a label color. Put it in the consts. Const expr auto. This is more like a blue. Ah, it's a count. Okay, so it's for count. Inventory UI. I'll just delete that. Let me insert like free same quest. I think I can insert the same quest multiple times. It's fine. I'm not. So I'll just do it like multiple times. I'll do it 4. It's fine. Just for testing. Yeah. So now I'm just wondering why this was not updated. It's like maybe I should. Oh yeah, I should do refresh. glitch tracks. How long have you been coding? How long have you been coding? I've been coding since since I was 15 years old. So 15 years old. I do not know what year it was. Year. I mean, I guess it's like over 30 years. It was so long time ago, I even have hard time to remember. But games, like games maybe 10 years, like actively. Of course, overall with 30 years I was doing like in and out games. Reminders, UI, refresh. So I needed to run refresh. So that is taking care of the CPP. So I need to add refresh here. And add refresh. Any tips for a non-experienced coder? Just do it. This is my tip. Just start doing it. If you are not doing it yet, maybe, I mean, if you are over 25 years old and you're not doing it, maybe it's do something else. If you below 25 years old, just start doing it. I mean, if it's your passion, it will come up by itself. Yeah, it's hard for me to judge because I was doing since I was like essentially kid, and I was so interested in that. 30 years ago, there is not computers barely existed, and my family wasn't very rich, so we did not have a computer. And I was reading magazines, like scientific magazines, and there is like one section about like software engineering. As you know, at this time it's even wasn't called software engineering, just programming. And there is like a different programs, and I did not have a computer, so I was just like writing down all these programs in basic. I think it was in basic and Pascal. I do not remember C. Did they have like a C section or not? I think yeah. So like these three languages was kind of popular: C, Pascal, and Basic. I kind of was doing things in Basic. It was like a first language. I was just writing programs by hand for a couple of years until I got the computer. Yeah, just keep pushing. It's like you're already doing it, so you're in a good shape. Just keep doing it. And Roblox is, there is no difference. It's like a coding. It's like if you're coding in Lua or in C#, it's still coding. I started coding in Basic, so. Yeah, it's hard for me to give any advice because time changed. We did not have YouTube. We did not have um, very available books. Right now, you just go on Amazon, get the book, watch tutorials on YouTube. There is a plenty of different courses. So I think the problem right now is too much information and you're just drowning and you do not know what to do with all this information. So then it was just I was thirsty for any type of information. So I have magazines. It's like a friend, my friend dad, he have access to matrix printer, and they were just printing all these manuals, and I was just reading manuals. That was there is not too much information, and now it's so easy to do anything. You just like can find anything, but like you can find anything, but there is so much. It just takes so much time just to find right thing. People say it's bad to watch YouTubes. I don't know. I was doing like a YouTube approach. So I did not do graphical engineering until I mean I was doing in and out, and it's like knew something about OpenGL and had some experiments with option, but like in depth I started it last year in December, and I just googled and it's like look at the and find the book, and it's free book, which is amazing. Learn OpenGL. So I went through that book. I think it's a little bit old, but I just was doing all these tutorials, and these tutorials in OpenGL I decided to do BGFX. So I was porting all this code to BGFX, which wasn't very hard. After and I just went through that book, and then I was just laying down in my bed and watching a bunch of YouTubes, and there is like a one great guy. He has very good series, interactive graphics. Yeah, this guy, he's always wearing like a red t-shirt, and I was just watching all his courses, and it's very useful. It's like I do not know, there is nothing wrong with it. It's like and he is a very good explainer, so there is no code, but I kind of get the idea and I can implement based on the idea. So yeah, he's very good explainer, so I watched a bunch of that YouTube videos. Yeah. So I do not think anything wrong with watching YouTube. At the end of the day, what matters is the result. If you can understand better watching YouTube, just watch YouTube with you. Yeah. He has like a bunch of ray tracing videos, which is kind of, I realized like there is a lot of YouTube videos like, oh, I made the ray tracer, I made the ray tracer, I made the ray tracer, and I realized ray tracing idea is such a simple idea. It's the problem with ray tracing. It's not hard to implement. It's hard to make it run in real time. So yeah, he has like all his videos, and it's like, okay, we have like ambient occlusion, and there is like this way to do ambient occlusion. This one is very cheap but looks like a crap. And it's like, oh, there is another way to do ambient occlusion. It's little bit, it looks a little bit better, but requires some computational. It's like, and the proper way to do ambient occlusion, you know what it is. You're doing it with ray tracing, or he's like doing like shadows and like a different shadow techniques. Like, okay, this is the shadow map technique, and it's like this is the how to do soft shadows, and you do it like this way. And then if you want to do it like a proper way, you know what you do. You do ray tracing. So yeah, it was kind of funny. Oh, here we go. Shadows and ambient occlusion. This video is a great video. It's like I realized ambient occlusion is OP in the graphics, interactive graphics. Yeah. Yep. This is the. I see nothing. Watching videos and learning stuff from videos. Nothing bad. Everything is good. Everything what is working is good. Okay. So I want to add the description. So, and the description is a problem. So I do not have a word wrapping. So it's going to be one long line. Yeah, if it's video working for you, watch videos. If like audiobooks work for you, listen for audiobooks. If you can absorb information better by reading books, read books. Or if you prefer to just do bunch of experiments and just read the manuals and just bang your head on the wall, but at the end of the day you're getting results, do it this way. Don't kill yourself, of course. Reminders. Oh my god, my brain is not working anymore. Reminders, and I want to do objective equals make child label constructor dot text equals reminder objective dot color label color dot size do 15 probably, and let's see how it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like crap, but I think at least I would know what direction to move from here. Okay, so okay, I think I should probably copy paste that part. Okay, and position position okay, 0 and then move down minus 20 maybe. So let's see how it's gonna look like. Interesting. Oh, I think default alignment is I see, probably because default alignment is center. Label.hpp. What is default alignment? No, it's left bottom. What's going on? Why it's like a skewed like this? Find the crystal sanctuary cave and crack the code of the secret lock. I mean, I can probably correct it, but like I have to, I want to understand. I think I do understand. So I need to have some margin. So let's do some margin minus 10. I guess plus 10, minus 10 here. And let's do same thing. Plus 10, minus 10. It looks actually pretty good, surprisingly. But I think I would not pass the Steam Deck. Font is too small, and it's not going to be visible on Steam Deck, so probably I really kind of like it, the small font, but anyways, I have to make it bigger. So it's actually size 15. Oh yeah, it should be twice. It should be at least 20. So let's do 25 just to be safe. So let's do 30 here and 30 here. Yeah, and this is the problem. So because I do not have word wrapping, it's looking like this. As well, I'm not sure why it's not aligned. So plus 10, minus 10, plus 10, minus 10. I mean, it looks okay, even it's not aligned. But I'm curious why it's not aligned. Yeah, so Um. Oh yeah. So I guess. Am I? Let me see. If the tile view is setting up the bottom left and top right of its own tiles. It does. Oh, it does setting up. Okay, that's good. So I can use that data. Okay. So I can do top right, and here I can do bottom left dot x and top right dot y. Minus 50 and so bottom left is going to be bottom left, and top right is going to be top right dot x, top right dot y minus 50. I think I messed up. Yeah, I messed up. Yeah, I know how I messed up. So I probably should not touch position, and in that case it should work. So 30 is too much. Oh, 50, right? 50 is too much, so let's do 40. No, it's went down. What? Top right. What? Why it went down? That's strange. I'm misunderstanding something. I guess I'll do it this way. Dot pause equals Mm. Why this one is at the bottom? Mm. So I guess I should drive the position, so I should move the position. Bottom left dot x, so position should be bottom left dot x, top right dot y minus 30 minus 40, I guess. And in that case, bottom left, I don't care about bottom left, and top right it should be 40 top right x. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so I think I should make it a bit darker. It's 20%. So position should be bottom left dot x and top right dot y minus 40 minus 30. Okay, and in that case I don't care about bottom left, and top right is top right x. Now actually dot bottom left equals, so it's 0, but on y I don't think I care too much about Why? Yeah, so I don't think I care about bottom left. Probably. Top right minus 30. So intentionally, okay, so it is just 30. Yeah. Hey, finally. So now I need to figure out how to do multi-line. And probably I should add some margin, but like everything renders properly. So this should have like a, yeah. So I guess let's make 40% and reminder UI reminders UI.cpp. So I said divide by 5. Cell H. I guess I should. This is not correct one. I should just put like some magic numbers. Yeah. And magic numbers are something like come on. Oh my god, why I cannot push buttons today? 25, so something like 30 plus 3 times 25, something like this. Some magic nonsense. Yeah, and it's definitely nonsense. What can I do? Guess so this is 40. Yeah, so this is 40, this is 30, so something like this. Yeah, and just hope lines are not going to be three lines long. So yeah, 1 2 3. I don't think 3 would fit here. And I do not know if I like this background. Probably I don't. So I can make it 3 lines. Reminder crystal sanctuary. So I can put like randomly of that. Hey, yeah, it does not fit. But if I if I remove the background, so it would not have the background color. So let's go back to Node UI. And remove that part. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah. So 3 lines, hoping for the best. So I need to disable clicking and probably try to make it round. So for now, maybe I'll just hard-code it instead of like put break lines manually. And tomorrow I'll focus on that, like implementing the word overlapping. Yeah. Let's move it here, and as well I think I need to move it slightly, so add some margin. Top right, bottom left, it's like plus 10. Yeah. Find the crystal sanctuary cave and crack the code of the secret lock. Reminders. Yeah, that looks good. So probably should make the font smaller or that font bigger. Like maybe let's make it 35. Plus 10, top right, minus 10. Yeah, that's better. This one I want bigger, I guess. 40, 40, 45, 45. 45. Yeah, it looks quite decent. And I think 3 lines would fit. So Yep, okay. So we made some progress. We made some progress. I'm going to ask AI to review the code. Project game agent review the code. So let's see what I missed. So while AI is thinking, I'll review code by myself. It's still thinking. It's building. Without zeros at the pointer. No pointer. Recipe tile zeros its points in situ. Reminder tile. Yeah, that's good point. No pointer. Unused checkbox and player. Reminders UI. For identical Oh, Pragma once. Oh yeah, that's a good point. So let's see if everything is, at least the game is going to start. Yeah, it's starting, and yeah. Give me git commit message. Okay. Work in progress. Reminders. UI, rename quest to reminders, scaffold reminder tab with tile view, share lib color with colors, yeah, label color. Okay, I'm done for today. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next